Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to view your WhatsApp QR code updated for the latest version of the app. Whether you're switching to a new device, connecting to WhatsApp Web, or simply exploring your account options, this guide will show you every step in just a few moments. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version so everything looks just like it does here. Once the app opens, you'll see your list of chats, groups, and calls. Next, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 vertical dots. That's the WhatsApp menu. Tap those dots to open a small drop-down menu. From the menu, choose Settings. This will take you to your personal settings page, where you can manage everything from privacy controls to notifications. At the top of the settings screen, you'll see your profile picture and your name. Right next to your name, there's a small QR code icon. Tap that icon, and that's it. Your personal WhatsApp QR code will appear on the screen. This code is unique to your account and can be scanned by others to quickly add you to their contacts without typing your phone number. You'll also see 2 options, My Code and Scan Code. My Code shows your personal QR code, while Scan Code lets you scan someone else's. Simply point your camera at their QR code to add them instantly. It's that simple. With just a few taps, you can view, share, or scan WhatsApp QR codes effortlessly. This feature makes connecting with friends, colleagues, or clients faster and easier than ever. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching.